This is the process and method for taking off the body of an A4 live steam loco and then replacing it. You will need a pair of tweezers, a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. You will also ideally have this tray to hold the locomotive in. You can see this is a homemade tray made by myself, which is again obvious. It's somewhat of a Heath Robinson affair. 3 pieces of wood and a piece of my wife's yoga mat. Very important when you are stealing a piece of mat from your wife that you don't tell her you've done so, and you take an even piece off the bottom of the mat so that she has no idea, other than you'll get the occasional comment, my yoga mat seems shorter than it used to be. The important thing is not to admit that you've taken some. So take the loco, remove the chimney. It's not necessary to remove it, but in case you lose it, put that to one side in a safe place. Use your tray, turn the loco upside down into the tray. I always take the pony truck off here at the back. Not because it's necessary, but it does make it easier to relocate the body when refitting it. Again, when you've removed this with the flathead screwdriver, put it in a safe place with the chimney so you don't lose it. You now need the small Phillips screwdriver, and we remove these 2 screws, the front of the loco. Again, putting these in a safe place. They're small and they're easy to lose. This is sometimes where a pair of tweezers can come in very handy. You then literally hold the front driving wheels, lift the chassis out of the body, slide it forward, and then out it will come. Sometimes needs a little bit of fiddling, and out she comes. So there we've now got the loco with the body off. Easy, straightforward. To refit the body again into the tray, turn the locomotive upside down. You've got 2 lugs, which you can see here, and on this side here, that will fit into the 2 holes of the body here and here. Slide this into position and then look for, and this is where taking off the pony truck makes this part of the process easier, because you can now see the holes with which to slide the body back into. Pull that in, the front drops in, as you can see. Pick up your Phillips screwdriver, get your little screw, and if you've got thickish fingers as I do, this is again where the tweezers come in handy. And then it's quite simple to screw them in and the job's done. Finished. Right, we'll cut that bit off, Nick.